Hello, my name is Miranda Hodo, and I'm going to give you a rundown of my Wiki page, and hopefully by the end you will be inspired and feel like you can go out and create one yourself. First thing, I just logged into wikispaces.com, and you can do a free login as an educator. I went ahead and created it by my last name to make it easy for my parents. I chose to do my wiki page kind of geared towards the parents with resources to help students at home and different extra credit activities that they can do at home. The first thing I did was I edited my home page. It already came with the home page, so I just changed basically the wording the way I wanted it. You can go in and change the font, the size, the color, all of that fun stuff, and just hit apply styles, and it creates it kind of however you would like. Um, my homepage is basically just introducing myself and letting my parents know who I am, what I'm about. You can add in graphics just by copying and pasting something that you find in clip art or wherever. Um, cool thing is you can add pages and different things. So I went ahead and created a parent information page for my parents. Again, I just added a graphic in there, but just a quick little thing explaining what resources I put on here. Our curriculum comes with both a website for both our reading and our math, and they have great online resources for our parents. So I put a link into those by clicking edit up at the top of the page, and then you can click link. You write in whatever you want it to say. I put Storytown reading resource, and then I did web address and copied and pasted the URL address in there for both the math and reading. I also added things that I email home to my parents often, and I was able to just upload basically documents that I had for my parents by upload photo or files, and then you can find whatever file you want, and then you just double click on it and it uploads it for you, and it allows your parents to just click on it and find the resource that you want them to have. I also added in here, I felt like this was a good way for if my parents had questions about the resources that they can post questions to me. But then I added in that I wanted this to be a way for parents to communicate amongst themselves about different things that they do to help with their child's learning at home, hoping to kind of create a community throughout. I went ahead and added a reading, writing, and math page for my parents to use at home. In my reading one, I went ahead and just added in stories that we've already read in class, and I found readings on them, read alouds, and once they're done, they can fill it out on their reading log, and that'll be a way for me to show me that my parents are working with them and reading with them at home. In order to embed a YouTube video, I went to widget, and then you just go to video, YouTube, and then you copy and paste the YouTube web URL in, and you're good to go. And then the cool thing is these were massively huge, and so you can click on it and it changes the size. So if you want it to be a whole page, then you can, or if you'd like your videos to be a little bit smaller so you can fit more on, you can do that. My writing page, I just added in different things that the kids, this one actually has an interactive thing where the kids can post, where they can post their response to the video on here. And then the how-to writing, again, they're going to watch a video, there's a discussion question, and then they actually have to write a rough draft on paper for that one. I thought it would be kind of cool to be able to post their final copies on here, and I actually created a project page. Once I get this up and running a little bit more, then I can add the teams and go from there. Thought that was a cool little add-in. For the math, I thought this would be another fun preloading activity that they can do with their parents at home. Watch this place value lesson because place value can be kind of hard. And then pick a number and tell how many ones, tens, and hundreds are in their number and discuss with that with their parents at home. Some different little fun things that I did to make the aesthetics of my wiki page. I went to themes and colors, and you can basically just choose what you like from there. The other thing that I thought was kind of cool is if you go to the general section here, you can choose your type of application. I went through and looked at them all, and I felt like I liked the classic one the best, but the classroom one was pretty cool because it provided the news feed, and then there was also a calendar that you could add on. If I didn't have a calendar that I sent out all the time, that would be awesome. I think that's about it. Hopefully you now are motivated to go out and make your own wiki page, and I hope that I helped you with questions you had. Thanks for watching.